Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got 90 Twinkle lights and you are beautiful 16. Today I'm using Glass Frog. It's a peel off base coat. And here is 90's Twinkle lights. I love this. It's so pretty. It's just kind of dainty pretty, you know. It's very, very see-through and sheer on this first coat. I love the colors in this. It's so perfectly named. And here we go with our second coat of 90 Lacquers Twinkle Lights. This was from a Christmas collection probably a couple of years ago. One of the few that I own. There we go. I got this one trying to stick off the end. I'm just going to smish it with my finger. I'm going to top this with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Get it to dry down so I can do some playing, as I normally do. So there we go. Having that free edge. Beautiful polish. Look at that. So I'm going to be using You Are Beautiful plate number 16 today. It's the snowflake plate. It's got a whole bunch of different snowflakes. This is Braves Diva Game Over, which is now, I guess, considered shutout. I had a bottle of the other, so I'm going to use it. And I'm just going to stamp different snowflake images all over these beautifully painted nails. So I am using that Conad stamper again and my Beauty scraper today. Cleaning that plate off with some pure acetone. We're going to go in with it. And I don't know why I bothered, because normally when I do different images, I just wait till I'm all the way done before I clean the plate off. Here we go. I'm so happy with it. That one didn't get centered too well, but it's okay. It's on the thumb. What a cute, cute little snowflake. I don't think I got a very good pickup on that one, or a good scrape. That's what it was. So I had to redo it. So I'm going to go in from the corner with that little snowflake. And I'm going to do a different one up in the other corner. Just to mix it up. Do a lot of playing. Using a piece of tape to get up all that excess that I don't want on my manicure or on the skin around my nails. Line that up in the corner. There we go. And there we go with our magic tape again. It's not really magic tape, but it works like magic. I really do like this plate. I like that there's so many different types of snowflake images. And I'm just getting all crazy with it. I like the way that looked. Very nice. And then one more for that pinky nail. Ta-da! This plate picks up so well. I've never had any issues with this one. Ta-da! And then we're going to use the smudge-free top coat from Maniology over everything. And once it's completely dry, I will be topping it with Poshe top coat. And this manicure will be done. Got a blob there. So we're going to get this finished up. But I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about this one. And here's that swatch photo. So that is it for me today. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.